Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, and today we are unboxing a big box from Asos. I just got it from the post office and I didn't open it yet. It is a little bit smashed from one side, but as I have only clothes, nothing that can be broken, so I didn't worry about it. I wanted to make this unboxing video at home, so I will start to unpack it. It will be this summer clothes, a lot of dresses and interesting stuff. Okay. So the first that I will show you, it's on the top of the box. It's a bag. Well, I wanted this kind of bag, summer bag. It is a bucket bag. This looks like that. The bucket bag I have already in beige material, like 2 of them, and I wanted a black one. I had last year from H&M something like this, but it was broken quickly. Only one season it was survived, so I wanted something like that. Well, we'll see what's inside. Inside a lot of space. We'll take away some material. And so you can have a look. It's material inside the cloth, so it's convenient to have everything inside. It's not so big. I wanted to have this thin one because I will travel this summer and I want to put it to my suitcase easily. I didn't want, you know, to have a really big bag with a lot of volume, because it's complicated to travel with it. As we see, it has a short handles and a long handles. Well, I will try to be careful. We can make it in different length, size, you see, from this side and from another side. And this, you can't actually take them away, but whatever. So it will look like that. I'll show you closer. And on me, something like that. Oi! Quite long actually. Yeah, like that. I think mostly we'll carry it like that. For now I like it a lot. It will go together with a lot of my summer clothes, because I really like summer clothes in black color, and with a suntan, with white clothes, with this color clothes. So for now I like it really a lot. So the next thing that I wanted to show you, the first one I take from the box is here, is this kind of dress. It's one of these fashionable this summer dresses with puffy sleeves, and it's a mini dress. You can have a look. Wow, so nice color. Ooh, I like how it looks. It's really thin material with this kind of puffy sleeves, if you can see. And I didn't see that this material is like, it looks like 100% cotton, and it's a mini dress. I don't know about the length of it and the feet. Well, I will have a look. This is from Asos Design. I have it in size 8, 36. Yes, it's 90% of cotton and 10% of linen. Well, I wanted the dress in this color because it goes good with everything, like it's a little bit like tanned color. And I also am looking for the bikini in the same color. I'm just crazy about this tanned color, and I already have a t-shirt in the same color, but maybe a little bit more orange, but also some kind of tanned color. And this kind of dress will go with me to vacation, to the sea, to the beach, and I think it will be good there. I really like the material, and if it will be wrinkled a little bit, I don't worry about it, because when it is like linen, cotton in summer, it looks nice. When it's even have some wrinkles, it looks like just came from my own like boat or something. Oh, I can imagine how it will look. And we'll see more. Another dress, it's of the same color, another color. It's the same Asos design, and it's a little bit like similar to the previous. It's also mini with puffy sleeves. I ordered several to maybe leave one or maybe leave several if I like. Well, I don't know, we will see. In this dress the sleeves are shorter. Oh my god, it looks so big. Oh, I think it will be probably too big on me. Here I can see looks quite big, but I didn't want to have it too small because it's summer, should not be warm, but we will see. It's always possible to order another size. Really nice material. I can show it closer. Here is some zipper on the button. On the back side, it's 92% of cotton and 8% of linen, so it's 100% breathy materials for summer, also for my vacation. Oh, it looks so nice color, and I can imagine it with something red, with a red small bag and red shoes. How do you think it will look? Yeah, hopefully it will fit to my size. If not, I will order smaller. One more dress. Also puffy sleeves, also very fashionable, but this is from jeans. Now, yeah, I was looking for puffy sleeves in the dresses because I already have several tops for the summer, and I wanted the dress, and it should be mini dress because I have plenty of maxi long dresses and I don't have almost no mini dresses. I don't know why, but I just don't. So that's why I decided to look for dresses, but I will see which one I will leave. This one is a dress from the jeans, denim material, and I thought that it will be really warm or something for summer, but I decided to try it anyway. Why not? And here we have the zipper on the back side, and it's also a mini dress, as you see. I had just the full memory card, so I had to stop the video, download some, and I come back. So this dress is it's not so thick like I thought. It's very soft material. You see, I can do like that. It can become really small, and I really like it. I think it's really fashionable and like a little bit street style. It will go with a lot of clothes. You can style it with any color of the shoes. So really nice for summer, maybe for the evening if it's not too warm. And yeah, I like all of them. I don't know. Yeah, write me in the comments which one to leave and which one to send back of the dresses, and we will go to the next one. It's a midi dress. I always wanted to have a red dress. I don't know, I didn't have almost never some red dress. I don't even remember that I had a red dress. Here it has a big bra. I really wanted something red for summer, I don't know why, but just wanted a red color. And here it is, I will show you, like you can do this like that. So it will be asymmetrical, it will be shorter in the front, something like that, yes, you can see how it looks. So you can actually style it how you want, and then it will not be so long. Here we can do the same with the, no, not the same, but we can do this with sleeves, so they will look like that. Red dress you can style with different colors, like jeans jacket or leather jacket of different colors, and with black shoes, red shoes and pink shoes. Like especially I have several pairs of pink shoes, and on the heels and on the flats like loafers, and I think that pink will go really good together with red. I like this styling of pink with red together. It's really fashionable. So then I have several tops. I don't know which one is that or another one. I will just open all of them and show you. The first one that I've got is this kind of top, yeah, also with puffy sleeves. Have some paper inside. It's from Pretty Little Thing. I've seen it several months ago, but it was still cold in Sweden. You can also make it here different what you want in the front. I have it in size 6, so this is how it looks. The next one, I don't know which one is it. This top is on one shoulder. I've seen something like this in Zara, but it was quite thick. This feels more thin. Asos, this is Asos, size 8, but I'm not sure that it will fit, maybe it will be too big on me. We will see. Here you see also the same stripes that you can like do how much you want. I didn't even think that I ordered several things of the same design, just like it. So it can look like that. It looks so fancy for the evening. You can dress it with jeans or with some skirt. Hello, where is the focus? It's kind of, I don't know, 100% acetate. I don't know what is acetate, maybe you know. It's of course some synthetic, but I don't know. We will see how it will feel. Another black top. So this is also the top on the one shoulder, kind of fashionable now. It feels like a normal t-shirt, some normal cotton, and we will see. It's size 6, 34. Hope it will fit, because these tops, they are not expensive, but in summer I prefer to have a lot of different tops like that I have now. This is from H&M, by the way, or this one, or shorter, longer, then we can mix them a lot, have a lot of outfits. And yeah, for summer it's something that we always need. And this summer it's extremely popular to have one shoulder tops and dresses. The last one, top. This is actually the most simple top ever. I just ordered it because I wanted to see the quality. It looks like that. It's from Stradivarius. These short ones I dress usually under some jackets. I must say that I already don't like the quality now. Can you see this? Can you see this? This is not really, I will show you closer. I don't know, it's sewed like that, not really nice made, so it's not straight. Here it looks strange. Yeah, I don't know, probably I will give it back. If it's like that, I don't want it, even though it was not so expensive. Probably I will give it back. So guys, this was everything from Asos. Write in the comments what did you like, what you didn't like from the dresses and tops. Subscribe, put your likes, and see you some other time. Bye bye!